finished from Jumia now. Guys. Now it's only one thing I bought before. Like, this was my first time. My first time ordering something online, and I'm so nervous. I'm anxious. I'm scared. Like, I'm happy. I'm excited. Like, all the feelings mixed into one. That's what I'm feeling right now, guys. Guys, we're going to upgrade. We're upgraded. I bought this. I bought a tripod. This is the only thing I bought. Like, I spent a total of 7,015 naira. Like, even myself, I'm shocked. Me, this stingy girl, I cannot even spend that kind of money on anything in my life. So for me to spend that kind of money on this, oh gosh, you guys should know how important this YouTube of a thing is to me, because I seriously never spend that kind of money on anything ever in my life. But guys, like, is it possible that I can get my money back? Isn't there a place that are selling this thing free? I miss my money, but still, I'm happy for this. Guys, let's unbox it. I'm so happy. Guys, I'm going to come close to my camera for this one right now. Guys. Please, where's my cap? It's okay like this. I like it this way. Guys, it's time for us to unbox it. Like, wait first. Let's say a prayer to this, cause it's not just a usual thing that Stella is going to spend 7,015 naira on one item, like, ever in her life. It's not possible. Okay? So let's just pray. Let's close our eyes for a second and just ponder all this in, cause it's so special. Okay guys, enough of that. Like, I'm so excited to see what's inside this box. Like, guys, it's like the most lightest thing I've ever carried in my life. Very light. Like, guys, when the Jumia people even called me today to come and get my package, I mean, not like get my package, like just for a little bit of more instructions. Like, I was like, Jesus, was it real? I thought like the online thing that I did was just fake. That is not ever going to happen. That I'm not ever going to spend that kind of money. But guys, I spent that kind of money. Nixus, if you're watching this, your sister have upgraded. Not like I've upgraded, but I spent my money. Okay, like, you know me now. I don't spend my money on anything. I bought this. I can't see the carton. I'm never throwing this away ever in my life, ever. So guys, I pray that man can just come back and come and give me back my money. I say that they were doing one kind of promo. Guys, I got my scissors ready. It's client time. Oh god. Guys, I'm so scared. What if the way I'm cutting it now? Now come and cut the tripod. Guys, long gone are the days of me putting my phone on this my window, like my phone always falling down and my screen always breaking, and me always having to go and fix my screen every time. Guys, you guys are going to see more of me, more vlogs. Like, damn. You feel like I say you guys don't understand me, see this thing possible. I go crazy for YouTube. When I go hear me, and I come and spend 7,000 naira. You not come and I will break your head with this if you don't subscribe. I will break your head. Guys, I'm opening it. This is the way it looks like. Take a picture. Oh, I beg, before my space finish, let me open this thing, and I'm going to set it up right here now. Guys, guys, this is the first thing I'm seeing in here, and I'm already feeling bad. Like, 7,000 naira, and this thing's like this. Well, let us be going first. Okay, the second thing I'm seeing in here now, the remote control. As you can see, guys, I pray all these things work. So, guys, this is so cute, so beautiful. Are you guys seeing it? This looks so nice. But how will I set this thing up? I should not come and break something, because if I break it, I will cry. Have you seen me cry before? I will cry. gosh, guys. I'm going to watch. Okay, no, it's so simple. It's so simple setting it up. Hey, but I pray I don't break anything, because if I break something, I will cry. Jumia people will come and take that same back, and I'll say I no do. Please don't break, oh. Please don't break, oh. Please don't break, oh. The last one. Oh gosh. My battery is dying. Guys, this is not as tall as I wanted it to be. I thought it to be tall as me. Oh gosh, God help me. If you like say, I'll go and watch tutorial. Oh, is there no instruction with this thing? I can't find instruction. There should be an instruction with this thing. I beg, I should not come and break it. Oh, there's actually a paper in here. See what the paper says. Okay. It's not that long now. I thought this thing would be as long as me. You're not as tall as me. Oh guys, it's actually long. But how will this thing stay? Okay, this thing here. Okay, this thing here. Oh guys. This thing's fellow. It should not break. If it breaks, I will just die. Oh, this thing can come up and down. Okay. Oh, please, don't come and break on me. Okay, guys, so I finally set up my tripod for myself without watching any video. Like, guys, I never thought I was going to set it up myself. Like, I thought I was going to watch a video so I won't break anything. But guys, it's so simple to set up. Hey guys, so I finished setting up my tripod and now the time is 3:50, I think. I finished setting up my tripod like some hours ago, but I could not film it because my battery died. But guys, I was setting it up. A tragedy happened. Like, how could a tragedy happen to me? Like, why? Like, why right now? Guys, this thing right here, I don't know if you can see this thing, it broke. But guys, like, it's not really actually my fault, because after I took the tripod from the delivery man and I was like looking at it for some time, I later called the man to like come help me like set it up if he knows, or if he knows anything about it. But like the man just called my call, like, who does that? Like, why? So guys, I was done. So God bless the man wherever he is, because I really didn't need him after, but I had to learn the hard way by breaking something. But I actually just fixed it. I bought super glue, which was an added expenses, but I bought super glue and I fixed it up. So guys, now time for my review about Jumia. After I finished buying everything I bought, like, where am I supposed to review? Is it like the internet or something? But wherever, I just came to tell you guys my own review, like my own parts, if you should use Jumia or not, because this is real life, eh? Don't mind those internet things that I'm telling you, but guys, I'm going to tell you now maybe if you should use it or not. So due to my first experience, like this is my first experience ordering something, I'm going to tell you guys to buy your things in real life, okay? If you know you cannot buy it in real life, my dear, just maybe you have to still wait a little bit, or if you just lack patience, like you don't have any patience again to wait, you can just buy it online. I'm not going to recommend Jumia to you, but you can use any one that you want, like you could try new ones. So the reason why I'm not going to recommend Jumia is because I asked for the man help and he did not help me. Like, he should have just said something instead of just cutting the call on me. That's number one. And number two is, when I came to collect the delivery, like in front of my gate, he was just in front of my gate. I came to collect the delivery from him and I greeted him. He didn't respond. Like, is he a robot? That's not all though. He was just like frowning his face. Like, did I slap him? Like, should I paid him his money in full? I even gave him 1 naira added. Like, so why is he vexing? That is not all. you will ask this man a question. Like, there was a paper on top of this box at first. Like, I asked him if I was supposed to sign the paper, and then he's going to take the paper to show that I've gotten the item. But he just saw the paper off and was like, my paper is inside there. So I just took my carry my thing, I said thank you, and I left. So that shows that these junior people, they're not even interested if you got the goods or not. Like, the only thing they want for sure is their money. Like, that is all they want. Because my teacher like told me about some other online stores that she used, and when they actually come to deliver the goods, she signs something to show that she has delivered the goods. But this one, I didn't sign nothing. I didn't even do a voice note of nothing at all. Guys, to me, I don't know how much they're selling tripod in real life, but I bought my own like 7,000 something. I'm going to leave how much I bought it down here and how much I paid for delivery. So this Jumia of a thing, it has like 3 logo. Like, there is the one that you purchase the item for a low price, but you have to pay for shipping fee, custom fee, and delivery fee. Like, that product that you just bought is from out of the country. And there's another one, which is the one I just used right now. This one is like, they're going to look for the item you want to buy around your particular country or just around them, and they're going to come and deliver it to you, and you're only just going to pay the product cost, and you're also going to pay the cost of your delivery. And the last one, I'm not really sure about the last one, because those two, the two that I just told you, are the ones that I first searched for. I didn't reach the last one, because please, you guys should tell me how much they're selling tripod in your area, so I'll know if this will dupe me. Just tell me. Like, when I even broke this thing, fear just entered my body. I just ran to go and buy super glue. I was not like, Jesus, will I return it? I was not like reading this paper about refund policy and return policy, but guys, I don't know if I should have bought this thing. Like, I was already getting comfortable on my bed, but there's no time to regret now. Like, I bought it, guys. I'm still very happy that I actually bought it. Like, gosh, I have gods. Guys, it was not the best experience, but it was an okay experience. Like, if you get what I'm saying, guys, just expect more content from me. Like, you go tired. Guy. You guys, in case if you want to buy this tripod, the thing is fele. So I'm not going to recommend for you guys to buy it. Just keep on using whatever you are using, because in case if this thing break like this, see, very fele. In case if this thing break, you cry, your money has just gone. So just be comfortable with what you are using, or if you know you cannot do it anymore, like your phone is always falling down, like when my phone always fell down before, you could just buy it. But guy, the risk is in your hands, okay? All in your hands. So I'm going to try my best now to maintain this thing and pray it does not break before the ending of this month. So guys, bye now. Say bye, tripod. Bye. She say bye bye, you guys. Bye.